welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today is a little chilly outside and I need to pick up some food, so I'm heading to Winco and I do have a meal plan this time, so let's go. So it's pretty chilly out here. It's like the high is 69 today, which I know sounds pretty not too low, but it was like 49 when I took my kid to the bus stop this morning. And I have my boots on. So I have my partner, Ezra's gonna come with me, so we're gonna pick him up just a teeny little snack lunch and get him ready to go to the store with me. I have a funny little thing with my boots, like if it's 60 degrees or like cooler in the Vegas Valley, then I'll wear my boots. But if it's 70 or more, which tomorrow the high is going to be 71, I'll be wearing sandals. It's just how I do it. Ready to go shopping with me? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Here we go. What do they smell like? They smell like Christmas. There's lots of food here, huh? There is quite the assortment of candy. And if I stay here too long, Ezra will ask for a lot of it. Look at, they have mini Charleston chews and regular ones, but I haven't seen a strawberry one in a really long time. Wow. We just finished at Winco, and Ezra is enjoying his little treat. He's gonna share some with me. They're nice to have those little runts sometimes, just a little snack. And I love their open bins there, so he got to pick one little candy and he wanted to share a little bit with me. So I'm feeling pretty happy. Before I show you my haul though, I am going to show you another favorite eat. And the reason why is because we just keep getting so much birthday love. So I have to use them, right? So even though my birthday was last week, we still have this special coupon that I can get something for free. So let me show you another favorite eats. Ezzy, you like pizza?
Yeah.
That's where we're going. Do you have a Grimaldi's in your area? It's pretty good. Ezra, we're gonna get some of your yummy favorite pizza here. Do you like their pizza?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you keep asking for?
Cheese.
Cheese and dough to play with? So they'll give dough. And what do you think? You like this place?
Yeah.
You're gonna get a free pizza for your birthday next week. We'll see if we come. And then Paul knows what to order. He comes a little more often. They get it at his work a lot. So we always get, do we always get this one? Yeah. So it's got pepperoni and bacon. You know, we tried that buffalo chicken and it wasn't as good.
Because there was celery on it.
Hot celery too.
Without the celery, it would be good.
Yeah, but it was cooked. It was like hot celery. Ugh.
My favorite one is the green peppers, bacon, and onion.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, it's my favorite one. But the kids don't like that one, so I don't eat it. Or in the summer, they have a barbecue chicken pizza.
Oh, yeah, we've gotten that one before. So, yep, can't wait. Are you practicing, Ezra? You practicing? So fun. Oh, look at that big piece of pizza. It's piping hot, but look at how yummy that looks. Oh, yes. And here is the cheese. It's steaming. You can see it. Oh, my. I can't wait. How is it, Jonas? Is it hot? Not too bad? How's it going?
Very good.
This is like fancy pizza. We have to use a knife and a fork.
Just a little hot.
It's just really hot. Yeah. How is it, Ezzy?
Good.
Yum. So good. Wasn't that so fun to see another place that we eat around the Vegas area? It's one of the special treats. We have a couple birthdays around the same time of year, so I think next week we'll probably get Jonas's free pizza. And on Mondays they have, that's so cool, $10 pizzas, feed our whole family. way cheap. Okay, so let me get started on this haul, which I spent exactly $100 and like 50 cents. So it was $100. So let me show you what I got. So I've been craving this. We haven't had it for a little while, but I got a couple of their orange chickens. Now these are very comparable to Trader Joe's, and I happen to think they are better than Costco's. So if that gives you a good gauge. Ezra wanted some of these strawberry Eggos. He didn't want the plain ones. Those ones take a long time in our freezer to get rid of. But these flavored ones, they are kind of a special treat. So he wanted one of those, or some of those. And I also got a frozen pizza because tomorrow evening we are going out. And I should probably vlog my week because we are having so much going on this week that it'd make like a fun week video. I'll think about this. And so anyways, we're going to have this for the kids and be going out with some friends. So on to the next stuff. I also was needing some more lunch meats, and I saw that this was in the aisle of savings when we first walked in. They had these, so I thought we'd try them. My sons have been making some homemade Lunchables, so we have that, and I bought some more sliced medium because that's my favorite, and the boys too. So I also got some Colby Jack cheese because this was going to go for an upcoming recipe, easy kid-friendly recipe, so stay tuned for that. Some pizza crust and some milk. You should see how much milk I'm going to be throwing away. It's like this much, maybe half. I just use it for recipes or if we have cereal, and I don't normally buy lots of cereal, so I do have a couple little bags, those dollar bags that I just got recently, so this should be gone hopefully next week. And I bought 6 of these, so I'm still juicing. I'm feeling great. I am hoping that it's helping, and think about trying it. You never know. And for me, I just like to add as much as I can when I can to offset some of this not healthy stuff that I'm eating. Oh, like the candy I just had in the car. Okay, so we have a couple of functions coming up, and so I just needed to have these products. So I got 4 of these cornbreads. If you haven't had this Famous Dave's, or you're like unsure, it's like cake. It's really good. Or, and I know I've gotten them before at Costco, probably a much better price. These were each $1.88. And I got 3 cans of corn because I like to put a little bit of corn in the cornbread. So I have those for a upcoming trunk or treat on the 23rd. And on Halloween, we're going over to a friend's house. And so I thought I'd bring some chili and cornbread. So stay tuned for that. Also, I got Ezra some of these little freezer meals. Now, I hardly ever buy these. I think I go through spurts where I might buy a couple or a few, depending on, but it's been years since I bought these. But he's kind of going through something right now where he's just not eating. And so, especially like lunches, he's pretty particular. So I thought, you know what, I let him pick these out just to kind of get his palate going again. Mamas with young kids, you might understand what I'm going through. Let's keep going. Here's what I got for all of our produce. I got a bag of Red Delicious. These were under $3. So that's for the kids because I like Honey Crisp apples, and I just showed you that they were having a good price on them. So I got some for me for next week, and Paul, if he can have one too. Just one. I got some bell peppers because I'm making enchilada soup. So I've done that before. If you want to search, or I can try to remember to add it. I'm not the best with that. But if you search my videos, enchilada soup, that's what this is for. I got some cucumbers for an upcoming salad that I'm going to make. And I got some cilantro for a recipe. Oh, that just smells good. Ooh, it just went right by me. I love the way it smells. I got some broccoli, which it was coming right out of the box, and it had like a bunch of packed in ice. So I asked the guy, I'm like, where did this travel from? I'm in Nevada. it came from California. I'm like, oh, you need ice. I guess that's how they keep it fresh. I got some Roma tomatoes and some romaine lettuce because we'll be making BLTs, and usually when I have a BLT, I don't use bread. So that's gonna be for this. And I also got some Southwest salad this time instead of a Caesar. I thought that would be fun. Fun that it's different, not because it's going to be like a party. I got some bouillon cubes. I'm almost done with my Better Than Bouillon. But while I was at Winco, I saw that they had Better Than Bouillon beef in a little one. The littlest one like this was like $4. I think that's how much I spent at Costco. So something I need to think about. And I got that big 10-pound bag of potatoes. I'm almost done. Okay, so I got some more eggs. Did I ever tell you that I used to take care of my chickens? I used to raise chickens in our backyard, and I made sure they were the brown eggs because I thought those were the prettiest. Plus I had some Americano ones, so they were like the Easter eggers. And it took me a little while to get used to them because I would bake with them first, but then I started eating them, and they really are the best. So it took me a while to get used to, again, white eggs. Anyways, I miss my chickens, but you know, sometimes when I'm just trying to hurry and cost effectiveness, these are what I'm getting right now. If I go to Costco, sometimes I'll get some of the organic eggs or the cage freeze. I got a couple of the Grandma Sycamores. We were out of bread for boys' lunches, and I got some more Crystal Light, just some lemonade. And then these are our favorite croutons for salads. Okay, and then I got cookies for lunches, but I know my family, so once they're open, they're pretty much gone. So we got some mint fudge. These were all like $1.29 to $1.49. Peanut butter ones. These are super good to go in lunches. Lemon shortbread. These ones are deceptively delicious. I did not think they were going to be, but one is so good. And then some of these, like the Girl Scout cookie ones. These are like they call them Caramel Delights. They used to call them the Samoans. So good. I think that's what they were called. Now I got some pretzels for lunches, right? And then I got some splurgy items. So I don't know if you've ever tried this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this Sweet Baby Ray's. Paul saw a recipe, or he saw an article on it like a year ago, and we have not been able to find it at any of our stores. I look every time I go grocery shopping, and Winco had it. Sweet teriyaki. Now you're probably like, I totally saw that. I don't know if you have. You may have. Maybe it's depending on the part of the country that you live is where they put it out first, but literally like months and months to try to find this. So they had this sweet teriyaki and a honey teriyaki, and we're just gonna try this on some chicken. It'll be super good, and I can't wait. I also bought some pumpkin spice Cheerios. Ezra thought that would be a fun thing to try. Like I said, we're not huge cereal eaters, so this will make our milk go by faster. And we got some, those are like pumpkins and ghosts and bats. Some tortilla chips. Isn't that fun? So I don't know if we're gonna break these open today or the next couple of days, or have them for lunches, or if we might just want to hold off until Halloween. We'll figure something out. So I think that's it. That was $100 worth, hey Ezzy, of food. And I just want, talking about Halloween, I am doing some collabs coming up. So be watching for one for Halloween and then one about Christmas. So they're coming up soon, and I'm super excited to be a part of them. So you'll have to keep watching my channel to see when they come out, but it should be pretty soon. Hi, sweetie. You can't wait to try those ghost chips, huh? Mm-hmm. Those look pretty good. I don't think they're flavored. They're just tortilla chips. But thanks for stopping by on my channel and watching this haul and one of our favorite eats at Grimaldi's. That was a lot of fun to spend time with our family. Like this video if you love some of the things that I got, maybe some good ideas to try some different foods. But I'm going to be coming up with some new recipes pretty quick here. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Say bye, Ez.